Hello students, today I am explaining you and giving you some important questions of your arithmetic progression, which is very simple exercise, okay, the lesson. So from the first exercise, that is 5.1, the first question is very simple and I am discussing the second question, and I have selected 3 sums of that. So you go through these sums and practice this, and in the same way I am giving all the exercises, important questions for the upcoming exam. So you go through the questions and practice these sums more, give importance to these questions. See here, first question is what? Write first four terms of the AP when the first term A, okay, and common difference D are given. Very simple question, and you will be asked such questions only. So look at this one. This is for 1 mark, or maybe asked for 2 marks if the calculation is little lengthy. Okay, now look at this one. Write 4 terms. Means here, as we know in arithmetic progression, the first term is given by A, the second one is given by, very simple, A plus D, third one is A plus 2D, and the fourth one is given by A plus 3D. Okay, this is our first term, second term, yes, and this is third and the fourth terms this way. Yes, in the first question what you are given? You are given the value of A and also the value of D. So what is the value of A? It is A is given as 10 and D is given as 10. Very simple. See here, calculation is very simple. See, during the exam you must get the point when you are going to see, you are not using Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D and all those things. You are given simple A and D, and you are going to use this concept. Very basic it is. So now for first term, what you are going to do here? Very simple, it is given first term is equal to A, which is 10. Already it is given. Okay, now for the second term, look at this one. Second term, what it is? Second term is A plus D. So what is our value of A is 10 and the value of D is 10. Very simple calculation. See here, during the exam you will not get this point. See how to find the first term and the second term, because already see during the exam what you have practiced different Tn is equal to Sn is equal to all those things. You will may get confused for which question, which format you have to use. Okay, so practice more and more and give importance to this lesson. Very simple lesson it is. Now I think you have understood the second term, and the next one is third term. Yes, third term, as you know, it is given by A plus 2D. 2D means 2 into D. Or you can do one thing, for third term you can do second term plus the difference. If we add, then you will get the third term. Okay, so instead of doing this one, I go with the second term and the third. That is, if you are adding the difference to the second term, you will get the third term. So what is our second term is 20 and the difference is 10. So that is equal to 30. Very simple question it is. Then you have first fourth term, you have to go this way only. Then the fourth term, yes, fourth term is what? Third term plus the difference. Yes, third term is what? 30 plus 10, which is equal to 40. Okay, now see here, all our 4 terms are, that is first 4 terms are A, that is 10, 20, 30 and the 40. So how you are concluding? You are doing this way. The first, write systematically, the first, see, you are going to get marks for this one. Methods also, 4 terms are 10, 20, 30 and the 40. This way you are going to solve. See here children, you practice this one. Second question, mean the third one. What is A equal to 4 and D is equal to minus 3? Very simple. See how to do this one here. First term is given by what? As you know, very simple. First term, that is A itself, which is 4. Okay. The second term. So when we have here minus sign, little carefully how to be. It's okay. Now look at this one. Second term is equal to A plus D. So which is equal to A plus, see, don't write this way, D as minus 3 this way, plus minus 100. This is very bad habit. Okay, so you are going to put here the bracket. So which is equal to A means here, sorry, you have to put the value, that is 4 plus of minus 3, which is equal to 4 plus minus, it is minus 3, its value is 1. Okay, this is our first term. The second term is 1 and the third term, very simple, by adding this is the third term. By adding the difference to the second term, we'll get second term plus the difference. You can go with this way. So second term is what ours? It is very simple. 1 plus of minus 3, okay, which is equal to 1 plus minus 3, which is minus 2. So this is our third term. Next when we'll go to the fourth term. Yes, look at this one. Fourth term, very simple. As you know, fourth term is equal to third term plus the difference. The third term you have got here minus 2 plus of minus 3. Difference is negative here. It is given. Put the bracket. So which is equal to minus 2 plus minus. It is minus 3. As you know. So minus and minus becomes plus. That means you are not going to keep them plus sign. You are doing the addition of these two number. 2 plus 3 it is 5, and we keep the sign of bigger digit, which is minus 5. So our four terms, that is first four terms are, first you are concluding this way, four terms are, yes, the first one is, it is given 4, the second term is 1, the third term is minus 2, and the fourth term is minus 5. Look at this one of the second question only. The fourth one I am showing you. Practice this one. Sorry. You are given A as minus 1 and D as 1 by 2. Yes. Now, as you know, the first term is very simple. The first term you can write here this way. First term is equal to minus 1. Don't get confused. Very simple. Next you have the second term. Second term is equal to A plus D. What is the value of A? Is minus 1 plus D is 1 by 2. See here children, I have seen many students making this of mistake. So what happens here? Minus 1 plus 1 by 2 is not, minus 1 plus 1 is 0, and this is upon 2 is not equals to 0. See here, you are not going to do the addition this way. It is a fraction. Okay, that is 1 by 2, and this is a whole number. You are taking the LCM and you are doing the calculation. So here nothing means it is 1. Take it and I'll show here. Look at this one. LCM of 1 and 2 is 2 itself. 1 how much? 1 2 ja. This 2 you are writing. 2 how much? It is 2 1 ja. Okay, that is 2 1 ja you are writing here. Next what you are doing? You are multiplying these two. 1 into 2 is 2, but it is minus. So I am writing here minus 2 plus 1 into 1 is 1. So what happens here? Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 by 2. This is our second term. This is the first term. Next we will move to the third term. Yes, third term is given by what? Third term is equal to second term plus the difference. Yes, you can write T2 plus D also. Then look at this one here. Second term you have got as minus 1 by 2, and the difference is plus 1 by 2. See here, very simple. Here as we know, both the denominator having the same number, that is 2 and minus 1 plus 1. You are going to get here 0 upon 2 are equal to 0. See children, you can do this way. Minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, they get cancelled. Both are okay, having the same value but negative sign and the positive. Then its value is 0. This way you can do if you are perfect, and if you are confirm that what you are doing, you are not having any confusions. Okay, don't keep in mind this whether I have done the solution correctly and all that one. So otherwise go simple way by taking the LCM and all that one. Very simple it is. See, you got the third term as 0, then fourth term, finding fourth term is 0. Sorry, fourth term is very easy because already you have got third term and the difference. Third term is 0 and difference is 1 by 2. See here, 0 added to any number gives that value, that is 1 by 2. Don't take LCM here. Yes, then all the four terms of our first four terms of the given AP, they are what? Minus 1, and the second one is what? Minus 1 by 2, and the third one is 0, and fourth one this way. So this is the second bit question I have solved. I'll solve all the remaining, all the bits of this exercise. So go through this and practice the sum which I have mentioned here.